Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So again I'm back after almost 1 week. So let's start the trading, and I know this is not the time to trade, but we need to take few trades and I need to take few trades. Okay, so let me open the pairs. Okay, so now as you can see that I have only 4 pairs to trade and the time is not a good trading time, but I will try my level best to take few good trades. So let's start. Okay, so here you can see that the next candle can go down. Okay, I am going to take my trade in a down direction from this point very confidently. Okay, I have taken my trade, so the next candle will go down for sure, you will see. Okay, why I have taken this trade down? Because you can see here the next level is here, or the next level is here, so there is a big gap. Because of this gap, the market movement will continue towards downside, so therefore I will win this trade for sure. Okay, so now let's analyze another market here. Okay, so here if I analyze the market, you can see here from this point to this point, this is the seller's entry point. Okay, let me check this one. Okay, I will win this for sure, or I will get an ATM, not the OTM. Okay, so no issues. Okay, now I can go with the sellers from this point, because you can see that here I have drawn one thing, which is the market movement. So here you can see the market will go down again from this point, and this is how we can take trades. You can see here this candle is a sign of reversal, so because of this candle, the candle is going down and it will continue towards downside. Okay, so let's analyze the market again. Okay, here I am late, otherwise this candle was also a good tradable candle. So let's see. Okay, I will win this candle for sure. Okay, so I won here. Okay, so now with this pair again I can go with the buyers and I will win this trade for sure, because you can see that here there is a level from this point, the sellers enter, and this there is a big gap. Okay, so there is a big gap, and the candle is a continuation candle and it will close above my entry point. I took my trade with a margin of safety, so you will see that I will win this third trade also. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, whenever we do trading, we need to do trading with analysis and logics, not with the emotions. So if you use the emotions, you will lose. And you can see here the candle will close at my level. Okay, so no issues. Okay, so here I can easily go with the sellers. Why I took my trade in a downside? Because you can see that, let me show you here, the area was a ranging market, but now the momentum started, and because of this strongness of the market, the next candle will also go down and it will close as a red candle. You will see. Okay, see that the next candle will also close as a bearish. There isn't any chance of this candle to close as a bullish. You can see how I'm predicting each and every pair and each and every candlestick. Okay. So I can take trades right now, but I am too much tired. So okay, here I can again go with the buyers from this point. So this will be my last trade, and after this I will end my trading, because you can see here this is the seller's area. Okay, this candle made a new high, and this is a sign of continuation in the middle of the trend. So the next movement will be like this. You can see the candle is going up. You can see the candle is going up, and the market movement is like this. So this is how I can trade according to the trend. Okay, so here I took so many trades, and all were ATM or ITMs, so I haven't lost any trade, and this is my real money, and I'm very happy with this amount to get this kind of trading. So you can see here I won my trade. I won my trade because you can see here strong momentum, and because of the strong momentum I took this trade and I won my this trade. Okay, so let me show you another one. Here also I am seeing the market movement. So this is the market movement. Because of this new high, the next candle went up and closed above my entry point. So this was my also a good trade. So let me show you this one. Okay, so here I took my trade, because you can see here from, okay, let me set the color. Okay, so now you can see from this point to this point, this is the level. You can see candle closed exactly at the level, and this candle is an exhausted candle. Okay, and you can see the market movement making new lower lows and higher lows. So therefore this candle gave me a good winning trade. So this is how we can take trades, and it is very easy to identify the levels. So you can see the level, you can see the market movement. So this is the market movement. So from this area you will get the buyers. Now from this area market is not following the trend, so therefore the candles are going up, and this area is a ranging area here. So this is how we can take trades on each and every candle on the basis of candlestick psychology. So if you like my video, kindly share, like and subscribe. I hope you will get good results by following these steps. So stay blessed, you all, take care, have a blessed day ahead. So share, subscribe, and learn what I am trying to tell you. So for now, okay, let me show you. So here let me show you that how I got these trades. You can see I took 1 2 3 ITMs, and fourth, fifth one, these were ATMs. I want to show you again. I took first trade ATM, second ATM, third ATM, fourth ITM, and fifth ITM. So you can see how accurate my trading is, and I am learning still, and I am trying to tell you each and everything, because I don't consider myself as a mentor or teacher. I consider myself also as a student. So stay blessed, you all, take care, have a best day ahead. Bye.